Hi and hello. Today I exhibit 10 paisa commemorative coins. 10 paisa commemorative coins were only minted in metal aluminum for general circulation. Its weight is 2.30 grams and size 26 mm. These were aluminum magnesium coins. First 10 paisa aluminum coin was circulated in 1974 up to 1982. First 10 paisa aluminum coin was Planned Family and Food for All. These were minted in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. Bombay mint is a common coin. Calcutta coin is scarce coin. Its value is 10 to 100 rupees. And Hyderabad coin is rare coin, values 75 to 200 rupees. Now comes 1975. These were minted in Bombay and Calcutta only. Both the coins are scar coins, values 100, 75. These were equality development piece. These were minted in Bombay and Calcutta only. These are scarce coins, values from 50 to 100 rupees. 50 to 100, 5 to 100 rupees depending on the condition of coin. Now comes 1976. Food and Work for All. These are all scarce coins. Values 25 to 200. But unfortunately I am not having that coin. Now comes 1977. These were also minted in Bombay and Calcutta only. These are scarce coins. And the coin was for Save for Development. Its value is 25 to 200 rupees. 1978. Food and Shelter for All. These were minted in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. All coins are common coins. Values 5 to 50 rupees. Food and Shelter for All. I am sorry to say I am not having any coin in my collection. Now comes 1979. Happy Child, Nation Pride. Happy Child and Nation Pride. These were minted in 1979 in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. These are common coins. Its value is 5 to 40 rupees. And these coins I am having 4 only. Now comes Rural Women's Empowerment. It is Rural Women's Empowerment coin. Were minted in 1980 from Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. These are all common coins, values 5 to 40 rupees or maybe more. Now comes World Food Day. These were minted and circulated in 1981 from Bombay and Calcutta. These are also common coins, 5 to 50 rupees each, depending upon the condition of the coin. And now comes Asian Games. Asian Games were circulated in 1982 on the occasion of the Asian Games held in Delhi. These were minted in Bombay, Calcutta and Hyderabad. All are common coins. Fortunately, I have 2 coins in my collection. These are in front of you. Now comes 1982 World Food Day. These were minted in 1982, Calcutta and Hyderabad. All are Sikaris coins. Value 100 to 300 rupees, and Hyderabad 100 or 50 to 250, maybe up to 300, depending upon the condition of the coin. Thank you.